Welcome back again. Want to give your Android phone a more personal touch? Instead of using the default ringtone, you can set your favorite song or any custom sound stored on your device. It only takes a minute and the process is very simple. Start by opening the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down until you find Sounds and Vibration, then tap to open it. This section contains all of your phone's sound settings, including ringtones, notifications, and volume controls. Next, tap Ringtone. If your phone supports two SIM cards, choose the SIM card you want to customize. On the ringtone screen, look for the plus icon in the upper right corner and tap it. This lets you add your own audio file instead of selecting one of the built-in ringtone options. If you're asked to choose an app, select Sound Picker. From there, browse through tracks, music, downloads, or folders to find the song or sound you want to use. You can tap the file to preview it before making your final choice, helping you make sure it's exactly the ringtone you want. Once you've found the perfect song, tap Done to save your selection. Your Android phone will immediately set it as the default ringtone, so every incoming call will now play your chosen sound instead of the standard ringtone. If your music file doesn't appear in the list, make sure it's already downloaded and stored on your phone's internal storage rather than in a music streaming app. After saving the changes, ask a friend to call you or use another phone to test your new ringtone and confirm everything is working properly. That's all. Enjoy your new custom ringtone and subscribe for more simple Android tips, tricks, and easy to follow tutorials.